When caring for your pool, you need to maintain a regular cleaning schedule. Here are some recommended daily and weekly starting points that will help you keep your pool looking great. When performing daily maintenance, the first thing is to look at the clarity and color of the water, as well as to check the chlorine and pH levels and adjust them if needed. Clean out the skimmers and remove any debris. We need to stress that chlorine needs to be tested and replenished daily for maximum sanitation and remaining algae-free. Weekly maintenance begins with cleaning out pump strainer baskets, brushing and vacuuming the entire pool, or running a pool cleaner. Next, check the filter pressure and clean it if needed. Look at total alkalinity and calcium levels and adjust if needed. Finally, check the water level and add more if it's running lower than normal. Of course, with spring, midsummer, or any time, there is a substantial water replacement. We recommend testing the CYA level and correcting it if it's off. If you use salt or borates, be sure to test the levels and readjust them as needed. If your pool has been recently plastered, check the pH levels frequently, as they will rise quickly within the first year. Keeping this low will decrease the risk of calcium scale on the walls. Our schedules are a great starting point, but all pools are different, and you will learn what you need to change the more you take care of yours.